What should I do if I forget my IMAP username and password?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll discuss what to do if you forget your IMAP username and password. Losing track of your login credentials can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to recover or reset your IMAP username and password. So let's get started.
Check your email provider's documentation.
The first step is to consult the documentation or support resources provided by your email service provider. Look for a knowledge base, FAQ section, or any relevant guides that may assist you in recovering your IMAP username and password. They often have specific instructions tailored to their services.
Check your email client settings.
If you're using an email client such as Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, or Apple Mail, there's a chance that your username and password are already stored in the application settings. Here's how you can check. 1. Open your email client. 2. Navigate to the Account Settings or Preferences section. 3. Look for the email account associated with the IMAP server. 4. Review the account settings and check if your username and password are displayed or if there's an option to reveal them. By following these steps, you might find your username and password without the need for additional recovery steps.
Contact your email service provider's support.
If you couldn't find your IMAP username and password using the previous methods, it's time to reach out to your email service provider support team. They have the necessary resources and expertise to assist you in recovering your login information. Here's what you can do. 1. Visit the email service provider's website. 2. Look for the Support, Contact Us, or Help section. 3. Find the appropriate contact method, which may include email, live chat, or phone support. 4. Reach out to the support team and explain your situation, mentioning that you've forgotten your IMAP username and password. 5. Provide any necessary information they may require, such as your registered email address, account details, or proof of ownership. The support team will guide you through the recovery process and help you regain access to your IMAP account.
Password recovery options.
Many email service providers offer password recovery options, which typically involve resetting your password. Here's a common password recovery procedure. 1. On the login page of your email service provider, look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. 2. Click on the link, and you'll be redirected to a password recovery page. 3. Follow the instructions provided on the page, which may involve verifying your identity through alternative email addresses, security questions, or phone numbers. 4. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your IMAP account. 5. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used before, and ensure you can remember it for future use. Remember to keep your password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone to protect your account's privacy. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover or reset your IMAP username and password. Remember to check your email service provider's documentation, review your email client settings, and contact the support team if needed. Additionally, utilize the available password recovery options to regain access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.